Jai Sri Krishna. And today, let us talk about Ranjan. Now, Ranjan was a well-known Sindhi poet. And he wrote beautiful kalams, which is what I'm going to tell you about. Because, see, we lost our country. We lost our state. We've almost lost our language, which we are trying to resuscitate. Let us not lose our culture. Let us get to learn our poems. Let us get to learn our pahakas. And that is what I'm trying to do by telling you the magic of kalams. So he was born on the 24th of August 1920 at a Gadiasi village in Sindh, but which is now in Pakistan. His father had owned a small business, and Master Ranjan was the eldest among his 5 brothers. But from his very young age, he developed the passion for music. He started writing poetry, and he even composed for his songs a master by his work. And actually, of course, what you speak, what you write, reveals your character. And you notice the simplicity and the meaningful, heart-touching poems by this young master Ranjan. And it revealed his miraculous character. He stole the hearts of many. He was a writer, singer, and music composer all together. He has composed classical Sufi songs, and amongst them, Jhulelal, God of Sindhi community, which is Jhulelal, and a song Ladas. Ladas are the songs that one sings during wedding. These are the wedding songs that you kind of hear all the time, and some comedy songs too. And his songs were given voice by great legends like Professor Ram Panjwani. I knew Dada Ram Panjwani myself. I am hoping to put some photographs behind of Dada Ram Panjwani, maybe dancing, I think, with my husband during the birth of my son. And he used to come and used to answer so many of my questions. In fact, my Hindu customs and beliefs was inspired by Dada Ram Panjwani, who would explain to me the various meanings of various customs. And yes, but he used to sing these songs, and I, as a young teenager, would look up enthralled at Dada Ram Panjwani as he sang the Ranjan songs. Bhagwanti Navani also sang, and many Sufi singers from Sindh. Bollywood singers also have recorded them. So Master Ranjan and Dada Ram Panjwani had a very good understanding and chemistry. They had performed many programs together all over India. But today, I'm going to have Sapna Bharwani, who's going to sing to you a song that is very popular. And I'm sure amongst a little older, like at least my contemporary Sindhis would definitely know this song. And it is Minji Beriya Thai Vicha Sirate Palau Paya Thi Ma Zinda Pirate. That means, the Sindhi songs, very often they talk of Beri, a boat, which is lying mid-ocean, midstream. So midstream is because of the river Indus. So, and he would say, take us across. And it always has a double meaning, because in the spiritual way it is called, take me across this ocean of samsara, get me away from the clutches of Maya and take me across. And Pallav is, the Sindhis know that how they hold their little dupatta or their anchal, and that means that I am begging you. It is like almost you're begging with your, yes, as I was saying, that the Pallav is like you're holding out your anchal and asking for grace, asking for whatever it is that you are praying for. And here the song Ranjan sings, Minji Beriya Thai Vicha Sirate Palau Paya Thi Ma Zinda Pirate. That my boat is midstream and I am asking you for mercy to take me across, to save me, to give me whatever I'm asking for. And the first verse says, Beriyu Navara Lala Odera, Kei Kanatha Todar Phera, Tinji Mehra Amira Fakirate. He says, you are the Lord of the boats and you come from Udair. And so many people come to your doorstep, and because to ask for your mercy, and your mercy is both on the poor and on the rich. And the second verse says, Ma तुंहिंजी बाणी तूं मुंहिंजो साईं, बेवाहन जो वसीलो तूं आहीं, मां त जियां थी तुंहिंजे उकीर ते. Which means that I am your servant, I am your dasi, and you are my Lord, and you take care of those who have no succor, who have no one to go to. You are the one who takes care of them. And I live only by the love that you provide. And the third verse has the name Ranjan, and so we know that of course it's written by Ranjan. Ranjan chave hiya asa a muinji, himmat de karya sheva tuinji, chota ma Chota nahe bharoso sarirate. So Ranjan is saying that this is what I desire, and give me the strength to be able to serve you. And because we can never be sure about our body. That is, we can never be sure when death will come or illness will come. So let me serve you while I'm healthy. So let us not forget our Sindhi poets. Let's not forget our Sindhi folk songs. Let's not forget our Sindhi proverbs. And let's try and revive our Sindhi language. There's so much to be proud of the Sindhis, because they have not only lived, they have survived, they have prospered, and they give back to society. But let us take back our culture. So until we meet next time, take care, and thank you, Sapna, for this beautiful bhajan.
Munji bedi athei vich seerate, munji bedi athei vich seerate, pallo paaya thi maa zinda peerate. बासियूं बासियां थी मां ज़िंदा पीर ते, मुंहिंजी ॿेड़ी अथई विच सीर ते, मुंहिंजी ॿेड़ी अथई विच सीर ते, पलो पायां थी मां ज़िंदा पीर ते, बासियूं बासियां थी मां ज़िंदा पीर ते. बेरुन वारा लाल उडेरा, बेरुन वारा लाल उडेरा, केई कन था तो दर फेरा, केई कन था तो दर फेरा, तुंहिंजी महर अमीर फ़क़ीर ते, तुंहिंजी महर अमीर फ़क़ीर ते, पलो पायां थी मां ज़िंदा पीर ते, बासियूं बासियां थी मां ज़िंदा पीर ते. आऊं तुंहिंजी बाणी तूं मुंहिंजो साईं, आऊं तुंहिंजी बाणी तूं मुंहिंजो साईं, बेवाहन जो वसीलो तूं आहीं, बेवाहन जो वसीलो तूं आहीं, मां त जियां थी तुंहिंजे उकीर ते, मां त जियां थी तुंहिंजे उकीर ते, पलो पायां थी मां ज़िंदा पीर ते, बासियूं बासियां थी मां ज़िंदा पीर ते. रांझन चवे हीअ आस मुंहिंजी, रांझन चवे हीअ आस मुंहिंजी, हिमथ ॾे करियां शेवा तुंहिंजी हिम्मत ॾे करियां सेवा तुंहिंजी छो त नाहे भरोसो शरीर ते छो त नाहे भरोसो शरीर ते पलव पायां थी मां ज़िंद पीर ते बासियूं बासियां थी मां ज़िंद पीर ते मुंहिंजी ॿेड़ी अथई विच सीर ते मुंहिंजी ॿेड़ी अथई विच सीर ते पलव पायां थी मां ज़िंद पीर ते बासियूं बासियां थी मां ज़िंद पीर ते गुल चाढ़ियां थी मां ज़िंद पीर ते